It's Chriso. I'm just getting ready for the grouting stage. So I've got to pull out all my crosses and wedges and that sort of thing. But I'll do a couple of walls at a time. These are a bit of a pain. They don't knock out that well. They're a bit soft. So it's half the time it's easier to pull them out with a pair of pliers. Remove the tape. How's everyone anyway? See how I've protected my shower mixer because when you're fitting tiles over this, they can scratch very easy, so you keep on your cover. The reason why I took my cover off, because I was a little bit tight, and with keeping that cover on it wouldn't have worked, so you just take the cover off, tape it up, and then you're laughing. But yeah, these clips are they're shit, so it's just easier to pull them out. Like that. I think I've said it in another video that I wouldn't do a floor with these clips. I'll do a bathroom, but not a large floor. I'll make sure I have the decent ones. You know, like a 100-metre floor. That's a lot of clips to be pulling out. Another couple of jobs away. It's about 90, I think I've got to do on the floor. 6x6. So it'll be a change from a bathroom, people. I'll be able to show you how large floor is done. This is when you have an apprentice or a labourer, but it costs you more. So it's better to do it yourself. few more, a couple up there. I'll get my steps. Don't stand on a bucket. Your ass off it like I did. Bang your head. Get 12 or 13 clips in your head. I did that a while ago. A few months ago. It's just a scar on my head now. And you see that? There's a piece I forgot. But that's easy. I'll do it when I'm down doing my floor. Noise. Nice bit of aluminium up the corner. I don't do miters. Nah. Quicker. Aluminium. Stick to aluminium DIYs. Don't try and miter it. Right, I'll start grouting that, and then I'll move to that. I've got to put a small bead of quarter round up there, which I picked up this morning. Yeah. Okay, I'll come back to you when I start mixing up my grout. We'll see you soon. This is Chris O. Subscribe to my channel. See that sucker? That's what you do. You poke it on subscribe. Ushka. See ya.